Hi, in this lecture I'm going to teach you how to remove the sidebar from a WordPress web page or a web post. You can see here a post having a sidebar here where you can see archive, categories and some stuff like this. Now let me show you how to remove this. You have to come in your theme, and in theme mostly it happens with the help of widgets. You have to go to the widgets option, and then here you will find a sidebar archive. You can change it whatever you want. For example, if you don't want to show these categories, you can delete it. Do not want to show recent post, then you can delete it. Here you can find archive, categories, recent post. Like, let me show that we do not want to show this. We will delete it. Now when you will refresh this, you can see we have no more recent posts here. So in this way you can easily change or delete some parts or all from the sidebar with the help of widgets. Thank you very much for watching this short tutorial. Keep watching the next one.